Alright, so we're all piled in, ready to go. We're heading down towards the Mornington Peninsula. So we've been obviously crashing at Benalla for a little bit with our friends. So we've left Wangaratta, head south towards Benalla, and now we're going to keep going south towards the Mornington Peninsula. So let's go. Alright, we're all loaded up. We've got the two families ready to go. We're heading down towards the Mornington Peninsula from Benalla in Victoria. So we've got a couple of hour drive. We've got all the kids loaded up, all the car, van hooked up, everything good to go. It's been a while since we've done a trip. We've been parked up at Wangaratta for the last 3 months. Well, Kate was doing some fill-in maternity work, which was awesome. So yeah, good to get out there and support the smaller country towns and things like that if you can. Obviously she's a registered midwife, so she can help out pretty much in any place that's got a hospital. So yeah, get into it if you're traveling around. Try and spend a bit of time at a local place and help out if you can. It helps the community a lot. So anyway, these guys have been affected by floods pretty bad up this way in North Victoria. We've had a lot of flood stuff, which has been pretty ordinary. Lots of roads closed off, lots of people with their houses getting flooded and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, if you ever have any of those charities or donations toward flood relief, make sure you chip in a couple of bucks, help them out, because it's pretty devastating watching how quick these water rises and yeah, how much stuff gets damaged and what we're lost. I think there've even been a few fatalities actually, which is pretty sad to hear. So anyway, jump on, donate to the flood relief, because it's really good. Helps, you know, all the local communities and things like that that are affected by that. I think New South Wales are going through it as well, Victoria. So yeah, jump on. Anyway, we're all hooked up. Let's head south. Noisy cars. Alright, so we made it in yesterday afternoon, and in typical Victoria fashion it rained. So we were setting up in the rain, which wasn't good, but anyway, we're all set up. And yeah, so we're right down on Rosebud, which is on the Capel Sound. And yeah, it's really quite a nice little place and nice little campground here. Check it out.
Lollies!
You got some lollies? Oh, look at that. Any for Dad?
Mick just stole my lolly.
Oh, that's because he's a mean boy.
I ripped his head off.
Oh, no.
I want that one.
Yee. Hey guys, did you know that we're now doing stubby coolers and stickers? So if you want to help the channel, jump over to our Facebook page or Instagram page and send us a message. Cheers for that. So the Victorian weather's really put it on for us while we're down here. It's been raining on and off, bit of sun here and there, but yeah, it's a bit annoying. Anyway, so I've gone for a bit of a drive today from where we're staying up to, or across to, Portsea, and to try and check out the tip, have a bit of a look around. Unfortunately, it's raining too much to actually go for some of these walks where you can actually go out to the tip and see the Mornington Peninsula and all that sort of stuff. So unfortunately, we're just doing just little walks here and there while it's not raining. But anyway, still pretty nice. Good to get out and stretch the legs. But yeah, unfortunate, but it's never always beautiful weather. You just gotta do what you can with the weather that's given to you. But anyway, keep on having a look around up here.
So we're just down at the beach at the moment, which is pretty nice. Haven't been down here in a while. Jackson and I, we set our little place up here, mine and his. We had an umbrella up because it was sunny, something different. Well, we're making a pool, and so these three are, well, just two at the moment. What are you guys making?
A pool.
A pool?
Mm-hmm.
You think it'll work?
Yeah.
Yeah? They've got their little trench here.
Well, I don't have anyone to play with.
There's the beach. And here's So we've just finished the swimming pool. Well, it didn't really turn out like a swimming pool. It turned out like a splash park, sort of, the little ones. Well, not like a splash park, like a splash pool. But Bella's and that didn't really turn out very well. The tide's coming up. So just playing around. It sort of looks like a beach. Sort of looks like a beach. It's pretty cool. It's got seaweed and sand in it. We tried to make it look a bit like a beach and not see the blue all around there. Yeah, so it's pretty cool.
It's good.
It's around there as a tarp to keep the water in.
It's a good fun.
Pretty cool, eh?
Alright, so we thought we'd come down to the jetty here and have a little bit of a fish with the boys. So we've got 4 young fellas, myself and Michael. We're trying to catch something. It's pretty shallow here, so hopes aren't too high, but we thought we'd just have a bit of fun. Anyway, how beautiful is this? So this is pretty much just, where's this counted as? Sorrento?
Yes.
Almost Sorrento. Almost. Pretty close. But anyway, it's just up from where we were before. Anyway, we'll have a bit of a fish, have a bit of fun. No luck on the fish. We're out there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, nothing. But the kids had a good time, and yeah, fed some little fish that are hanging around the jetty, but nothing major. But anyway, passing on my inability to catch fish to anyone who is near me. So sorry guys, but anyway. Yeah, so we're gonna have some pork, nice roast tonight. Can't wait to get some crackle. It's been a little bit. Good thing about being here, we're on powered site, so we can use the air fryer and it'll take about 2 and a bit hours. So I wouldn't really want to try that off grid with the lithium. But anyway, that's one bonus about being caravan parks, or well, not a caravan park, it's just a seaside sort of thing, but it's got power here, so winning. Anyway, we'll have some pork, have some beers, and we'll see what we're doing tomorrow. So today we're heading off from the Sorrento jetty on that big thing. Heading off on the ferry over to Queanbeyan? I think it's called Queenscliff. Queanbeyan somewhere else. Queenscliff. We'll get there eventually. Yeah, check it out. There's all big shops and all stuff like that over there. You can take the car over if you want, but we're just leaving the car in the car park and just heading over just with the kids and that. So we're just having a bit of an explore. So obviously this beats driving all the way around Melbourne, Geelong way to go down that other side. So it's just a quick 45-minute trip over from the Mornington Peninsula side, or from this side over to the other side. So yeah, it should be good. Bit of fun, jump on a ferry. But anyway, we'll go jump on. You guys excited to go on the ferry?
Yes.
Where do you reckon we're going?
Queenscliff. Yes.
Oh, there you go. Ari's paying attention. Good work. I didn't even know what it was. Oh, good stuff. Look, all the cars here, they're lined up, ready to go on the ferry. Even a little camper trailer. It's cute.
And it's so big.
It is. It's massive, isn't it? Look at him backing it in, doing a good job. So we've made it over to Queenscliff. It's a pretty cool little place so far. Nice little, we're only pretty much been to the
just on the foreshore
on the foreshore here. It's really quite nice. Now another reason why we're here is to meet up with some friends from back in Kalgoorlie that have moved over here.
One of Rafe's little besties.
Yeah, one of Rafe's little mates from school. So he doesn't know and his other mate doesn't know either. So it's going to be a little bit of a surprise, which will be cool.
We're pretty excited.
Yeah, it's one good thing about travelling around Australia is you get to catch up with a lot of people that you used to know or things like that that have moved on or moved away. So yeah, it's really
living
good.
in a town like Kalgoorlie, which was so transient, we seem to have friends all over the country now that have all gone back to their hometowns or moved on to somewhere else. So
yeah,
doing stuff like this is really cool too.
Yeah, and it keeps the kids, I think, a little bit grounded to doing like, yeah, it's not
Makes
so
them
bad
realise
on them
you can
sort of
still
thing.
see your mates even when you're moving around.
Anyway, so that'll be good. We'll have a bit of fun. I think we're going to the pub for lunch or a brewery or something like that. So we'll check that out and just have a bit of a squeeze around the town. So yeah. Anyway.
There's a museum, a railway museum or something here we might go check out too.
Nice.
Very cool.
Anyway, we'll see how that goes. Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey guys.
What are you guys doing here?
Yeah, good. How about you? Yeah, not too bad.
Alright.
Good. Look at Jim's grown like a foot and a half. Yeah.
What'd you have stuck up on your feet?
Picture of Dusty and Ray.
And look.
Yeah.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
All right, well that was a fun-filled day. Very quickly.
Certainly was. It
Went
was a
so quick.
fantastic day.
So trip over there was what, $95 return for
Yeah.
5 of us.
Yeah. That
Not
was
too
as
bad.
foot passengers.
As foot
it would have been
passengers.
194 with the car, which I think probably would have been worth it. We could have sort of explored more along the coastline there, but it was still good. And
Yeah.
it was the purpose of seeing our friends, so that worked out really nicely.
Yeah,
for
because
us.
we only really had about 5-6 hours
Yeah.
once you're over
Yeah.
there. But anyway, definitely worthwhile. Even if you're just going to go over there and stay there maybe for a couple of nights and
Yeah,
then
you
come
can
back.
take the van across. I'm not sure how much it is with the van as
Yeah.
well, but yeah.
No, really cool. So yeah, we obviously didn't film too much. We were just hanging around, did a bit of shopping, went to some pubs and had a few drinks, and that was about it. But anyway, really cool. What do you guys think? Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
He's always so excited.
So enthusiastic. I'm glad we do these things for the kids. Yeah, it was better.
Yeah.
Very
It's
cool.
good.
There you go. All right. Anyway,
Well done.
so the ferry's shooting off for the last time out there. Wow, what a day.
It is beautiful weather here too at the moment.
Yeah, it stopped
Absolutely
raining for
beautiful.
once, so it's good.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go home and have some dinner. It's a wombat. Kate's hooked herself a big one. I think this might be a record. It's huge. Anyway, come check it out.
Silly daddy, you're wicked.